Good afternoon. We're recording. This is a special recording because the only purpose is to say a public thank you to somebody out there. The problem is, I don't know who that somebody is. This is the tale of a mystery package that wound up in my mailbox this morning. I went down to check the mail as usual. Here is a box wrapped in the same type of material that black garbage bags are made out of. The only problem is it's addressed to me. It looks like it came from Amazon, but it was shipped from China. There's no card in the box, nothing indicating who sent it or anything, but within the box was this lovely cup, which suits the occasion very well since we have just moved the user-to-user form over to Discord, which of course we've installed a bot on our Discord thing to handle the way certain videos are handled and everything. It's marvelous, really. But I just wanted to say, whoever sent it, thank you. I don't think I'm losing my mind because I went back and looked at all my Amazon orders and I haven't ordered this. My sister hasn't ordered it. My niece hasn't ordered it. My nephew hasn't ordered it. So just once again, just a public thank you to whoever decided to send me the coffee cup. I do really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.